So today being the Sickle Cell Disease Awareness Day, I'll be talking about this disease, which is a genetically inherited disease where the normal cell, that is the red blood cell structure, is different. It is crescent shaped and the duration, the lifespan is very short. That's 10 to 20 days, because of which the anemia sets in very quickly because the body is not able to produce the healthy RBCs. So the symptoms include basically breathlessness, tiredness, fatigue, and because it disrupts the normal flow of the blood, it can cause pain episodes. Apart from that, swelling on the joints and vessel wall, these small RBCs, they tend to block the small vessels, so there can be problems with the vision. So apart from that, the spleen gets affected because of the over destruction of the RBCs. There's a lot of load upon the spleen, so the function of the spleen is altered, so you are vulnerable to get so many infections. So these are the general signs and symptoms of the disease. Apart from that, the management basically includes, you have to keep your immune system well. So you have to avoid extremes of temperature, avoid high altitude. Apart from that, lifestyle has to be good, and treat the symptoms very quickly so that your infections don't become severe, because the fighting capacity is not all that good to keep away the infections. And other managements is blood transfusion, and basically symptomatically approach is also very important. So this is all about sickle cell disease.